Succeeding online should not be that difficult. If you're looking for the best way to increase sales dramatically in your business, we have you covered. We provide entrepreneurs with an unfair advantage over other online marketers. The best way to increase leads and sales is by offering excellent incentives. These incentives can be used for any business you promote. And the best part is, there are no monthly fees to give away these incentives. Here are some of the amazing bonuses you receive with our program. With our program, you receive unlimited business leads for life. Call, text or email your leads about your business and you'll be rewarded with more leads just for doing this. You will also have the ability to give away vacation getaways to your leads and signups just for taking a look at your opportunity. We have over 60,000 locations to choose from. And to make it even better, we also have insane blowout discounts on flights. But that's not all. Give away $1,000 in restaurant savings to your favorite restaurants and $1,000 in grocery savings to your favorite stores. Our members will also have the ability to give away free medical discount cards that can save you up to 70% off of your prescription medications. You will also have access to discounts on cruises, car rentals, sporting events and so much more. Use these incentives to increase leads and sales in any business you promote. Feel free to use these benefits for yourself. This is a proven way to dramatically increase sales. If you are struggling to get consistent signups in your business, then this is a proven strategy that works. Revolutionize your online income by offering these amazing benefits so that you can enjoy your time with family and friends. Gain the financial freedom you rightfully deserve. Once you're a member with us, there is absolutely no fee to pay in order to give away these incentives for your business. And this is still only a small part of what we have to offer. We take great pride in giving you the unfair advantage. We are the gift that keeps on giving. We're happy to help, and we look forward to seeing you succeed. Keep watching this video, because what you're about to discover is much more than what you may have been expecting. And Daily Takeover takes great pride in providing entrepreneurs above and beyond what they expect in a program. We would like to provide you with more incentives to add to your business to attract more leads and sales. Stay tuned. Just when you thought Daily Takeover couldn't get any better, we have more amazing incentives you can give away for your business. Enjoy free 7-inch Wi-Fi tablets, free Touch MP4 players, free premium quality earbuds and free smart watches. Attach these incentives onto whatever business you promote to increase leads and sales. You are also free to enjoy them yourself. And that is still only a small part of what we have to offer. We are the gift that keeps on giving. And without further delay, we would like to show you how you can earn daily income with us. Take a look. Welcome to Daily Takeover, where you can earn instant 100% commissions paid to you daily. This program pays by PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, and much more. Here's how it works. For every person that you refer to our program, you will earn $100 commissions. For example, if you refer only 5 people to our program, that's $500 paid to you. If you refer 10 people to our program, that will be $1,000 paid to you. And if you refer 20 people to our program, you will earn $2,000 in commissions. It's that simple. And the best part is, there is no monthly fee required in order to earn with us. All training is included in this program. This dynamic training is designed to teach you how to advertise your business like an expert. You will have access to unlimited business leads for life that you can text, call, or email. This includes 50+ traffic sources that you can use to drive traffic to your business. You will also have the ability to give away vacation getaways, including flights that you can attach to any business you are already promoting. This is an effective way to increase leads and sales. This also includes discounts on hotels, dining, cruises, car rentals, theme parks, movie tickets, shopping deals, and so much more. Use these incentives for any business you promote to increase sales. And this is still only a small part of what we have to offer. You have 2 options with us. You can join our affiliate program today and start earning $100 commissions by referring others to our program, or you can simply join to use our training and tools to explode any business you are already a part of. We look forward to your success. So don't delay. Get started today.